everyone, welcome to my project like virtual notes using hand gestures. Here I used an editor named as PyCharm. Let's open this and enter into my project. So here I just use only one Python file, that's all. There is no difficulty in running this project. So I imported and installed the required libraries. One is opencv and another one is Mediapipe and another one is PyAutoGUI and NumPy. So we further we move to run this project and let's see what the output is. Yeah, you can see here webcam is open. So it is observing my index finger and thumb finger for the movement of cursor. So let's see, and you can able to observe that my hand is moving parallelly to the cursor. Cursor is moving based on my hand gesture. So let's handle this without any delay. You can see this. You can also point out anything just by clicking. Yes. For clarity over my video. Yes. You can also able to minimize or its maximum. But you need to ensure the proper alignment and proper gesture of your fingers with that cursor. Even though our program is off, it will work. Let's see how it is. Just take it and just minimize it. Can able to see this. Yes. Like you can find any website also. See, your YouTube is open. You can also able to control the video playing and stopping.
लगाना चाहते हो फॉर एग्जांपल मैं यहाँ पे अपने 70s का फिल्टर ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप कर दिया तो यहाँ पर 70s वाला
You can see this. And even though we can able to click on Chrome also. See here. Just the position of hands is should be synced with the cursor. That's all. See, this is the working on virtual mouse. See, you can able to see this. That's all. Thank you.